Hello my viewers and welcome to a new video. This is a little older product from Lidl Parkside. It's the cordless handheld vacuum cleaner 20 volt. The model number PHSSA20LIC1 and it's compatible with all X20 volt team batteries. It's been delivered without battery and without charger. It has multiple accessories, so let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Extension pole, 46.5 centimeters. Floor nozzle with a rubber strip, wheels, can move in any direction. A small nozzle which you can use in your car or small places. A brush nozzle, a wet nozzle with a rubber flap on the inside, and a holder for the nozzles. Manual in a multiple language. And of course your language will be there. Let's take a quick look at the languages. And the vacuum cleaner itself. The battery connection. Soft hand grip. On and off switch. Feels a little cheap. A button to release. Washable filter. Intake, and on the inside there is a rubber cap that prevents that the dirt will fall out. Nice. I have noticed that this point can be a little weak, so I have to be careful with it. But of course it has a 3-year warranty, so I don't worry about that at all. And here is a little hanging. You can hang it on a screw or something. Surprises me it doesn't have a bracket to hang it on the wall. So you can easily attach the extension pole. And then you can choose the type of nozzle you want to use. Feels very good. Any nozzle fits in here. And we're gonna test it, of course. And you can attach this here. I have to take it off. Like this. So you can keep your nozzles here with you. Very nice. Put it to the test. I have some cookie. Attach the battery. And my hand is all dirty with chocolate. Without the nozzle. Open it up. See some crumbs in here. Also some crumbs in the filter. That's what the filter is for. Now let's try a nozzle. And it picks up everything in one move. Okay, I have some absorption grit here, some washing powder. Let's see how it works. Let's take the other nozzle, the brush nozzle. And let's try the small nozzle for the washing powder. It has a very good suction. It's really strong, but we're gonna test the extension pole now, see if it's operating the same, if it's just as good as without the pole. Open it up, check the filter. You see that's where the filter is for. Put it back together. Take this one off. Putting the extension on. And see how it goes. And it's just as strong as without the extension pole. It's a very strong machine. I'm very happy about it. Of course, I'm gonna empty it now, clean it up, wash out the filter, and we're gonna do a wet test. As you can see, it's all wet here. I washed out the filter. I have to mount it the other way. I have to take the wet nozzle it works fine. So this was the test. I really like this vacuum cleaner. It's pretty handy. I hope this weak spot will not break. Otherwise, it's no problem because I have a 3-year warranty, and the warranty of Lidl is pretty good. Not that fast, but they will always help you. This is the latest model. The older model didn't come with all these parts, so can be that you see the older model without the parts. This one comes as a bare unit without the battery, but with the accessories. For now, I hope you like this video. Please give it a like and comment on the video, and I always will reply. If you want to see future videos, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.